Hello ladies and gentlemen, Rapid Chess here, and today we'll look at the Tennison Gambit. So if you're a knight f3 player, which is unlikely, you will know that this is the most popular continuation, d5. And white can play e4, and this is transposition to this Tennison Gambit. So possibly black is not playing d5 Scandinavian, so they will not know this exactly position and start to get nervous. So, but the normal Tennison Gambit is d5 and knight f3. So we give up this center pawn, which black happily takes, and white plays knight g5. I think Carlsen played this move as well. And in this position, many commentators analyze like f5, which is ridiculous. They recommend white plays something like d3 and black plays knight h6. I don't know why, but it's very common in these videos. Knight f6 is much better. Just white is worse in this position. So knight f5 is just a terrible move. There are two moves here, bishop f5 and knight f6. They're both about the same, I'd say. Knight f6 is more logical, so knight c3. We again want to take back our pawn, and black just defends it. They see this attack. And queen e2. So this is very common position to Anglian Gambit, with I think should be with extra tempo for white. Engine just hates this position. They want to play knight c6, queen b5, queen d7, just giving away this b7 pawn, but not likely that black will play in this matter. So queen e2, and black plays queen to d4, defending this center pawn, and white wins. Queen b5 is double attack, bishop d7, queen b7, so black has to defend here, and after this move just white wins. Yeah, they take this rook on h. Or you can also play, just have in mind that you have this bishop b5, which is even more winning. Yeah, it's hard to understand that this bishop is pinned and your queen is not hanging. So okay, if black plays something like h6, yeah, you can take here, take, everybody takes everything, and the position is about equal, just white is a little bit better. Okay, so let's go back. Knight g5, and black plays knight f6. There is a trap, which I will show you, d3. White is not threatening actually to take here, because I think this, okay, they do threaten, but there will be queens exchanged. So black wants, let's say, to keep the pawn. We take with the bishop. We have some activity on the king side, and the best move is e6 probably. And let's say black decides to push back this knight, but after knight f7, bishop g6, the queen falls, because king is in check and he can't return and defend the queen. Okay, so we have to remember that after we give up this pawn, it's not the end of the world. We play knight g5, and let's make in this position the best move according to agent, which is e5. Yeah, so that's okay, that's fine. We can take this pawn, and I think after knight f6, knight c3, bishop e7, and bishop c4, just white has normal position. d3 is coming, castles, and we have all game ahead of us. So this is the Tennison Gambit, and thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.